the old controller. You see these connectors? That's the new controller. And it's working. And up here, that came out of there. You don't need that. That's just for these LEDs. So, I've taken them off. Okay. Alright, here we go. On. Throw. Reverse. Alright, so it all works. One. And lights. Yeah, so this is the really old, very old P&G Drives. Whatever number on it is somewhere. Okay, here we go. P&G Drives, Christchurch, England. It's quite an oldie. That's been replaced with a cheap Chinese Curtis clone. So it uses all the old wiring harness. You just got to work out how to connect all these from the old harness. It's a bit of a pain. Right, the electronic brake. There. It's all working. It's all working very nicely. Oh, the only thing that's not working is the speed controller for some reason. Haven't worked that out. If I go in reverse, it works. But it doesn't work in forward. Not sure why. Oh, I put a little magnet on the throttle, so when you get up to maximum, it just stays on there. Hands free. Cruise control.